In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure employee gets paid through QuickBooks Payroll. Let's start inside your QuickBooks account. From the left menu, open Payroll. If this is your first time, click Get Started and complete the payroll setup. You'll be asked for business details like your employer identification number, legal address, and tax information. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your official filings. Accuracy here prevents rejected tax payments and miscalculated withholdings later. As part of setup, you can add employees with their full legal name, home address, whether they're paid salary or hourly, and their tax details from a W-4. This is also a great time to turn on direct deposit. It's optional, but it speeds up payday and reduces manual checks. Just be sure the employee's bank info matches what's on file with their bank to avoid returns. To add employees at any time, go to Payroll, then Employees, and select Add an Employee. Fill in the pay rate, choose the correct pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or whatever your company follows. Enter tax withholding details and add bank information if using direct deposit. Save your changes. A quick tip: keep the pay schedule consistent across employees when possible, and confirm any local taxes that may apply based on the employee's work location. When it's time to pay, head to Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Pick the pay schedule you're processing. If you have hourly staff, enter their approved hours, including overtime if applicable. Review the summary carefully. Gross pay, taxes, benefits, and any other deductions should look right. Make corrections before moving on. When everything checks out, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks will automatically calculate federal and state taxes, Social Security and Medicare, and other enabled deductions. If you use direct deposit, factor in processing timelines so funds land on the intended payday. After payroll is submitted, take care of the taxes. Go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax, and review amounts due. If your plan supports automatic payments and filing and you've completed any required enrollment, you'll see options to pay. Confirm the payment dates align with your tax deposit schedule and make sure all filings show as submitted. Finally, generate the records you need. Open reports and search for payroll summary, payroll details, and the tax liability report. Download or print what's relevant for reconciliation, audits, or employee questions. Keep these reports with your payroll records so each pay period is fully documented. Follow these steps each cycle, double check key details, and your employees will get paid accurately and on time.